Let's make Hyderabadi Chicken Dum Biryani with simple and easy steps. 1 kg whole leg pieces, 2 chopped chilli, 4 medium-sized golden brown onion, chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves 10 gram each, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, biryani masala, salt to taste, oil in which the onions were fried, full fat yogurt, ginger garlic paste, whole spices, and mix everything together. Cover and keep it in the fridge for marination for 3 to 4 hours. Wash and soak the rice for 30 minutes and then strain it well. On medium flame, I'll add whole spices along with coriander leaf, melted ghee, salt to taste, and let it boil. Add the rice in water and cook it for 8 to 9 minutes on high flame and then strain it. The chicken has been marinated well. In a cooking pot, align the chicken. Add the rest of the marination mixture. Layer it with strained rice halfway through. Add chopped coriander and mint leaf along with little bit of golden brown onion. Again layer it with rice and add a little bit of food coloring on the top. Cover the pot very well so the steam doesn't come out. I'll place a non-stick pan and on top of it I'll put the biryani pot to avoid burning. I'll cook for 10 minutes on high flame and then 20 minutes in low flame. The biryani is cooked, the steam is trapped inside. This will give a very aromatic flavor, as you can see. This is the time when the aroma makes you fall in love with biryani. Finally, I'll just add a little bit of melted ghee and gradually mix everything upside down till the spices are combined with rice. The biryani is finally ready to munch. I cannot explain you guys how much excited I was. This was very tasty and delicious. If you guys like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.